Page 11, dice 1, A and G workout. Now we finally get the 7th key on the piano. Because as I said, there's 7 keys total to learn. We learned 5 of them with the right hand. Now we've learned the B in the left. Now we're getting the A. So we get them all. So an A is in the middle of a group of 3. It's the upper middle. G is the lower middle. A is the upper. So I'll leave it to you now to know the names of all the keys on the piano, all the white keys, because these just repeat. It's the same note names, the same key names. So I'll leave it to you. Just memorize these. So you can point to any key at anywhere, and you know instantly the name of it. F, D, B, E, C, whatever it is, you know, instantly know the name of the key on the piano. You don't need stickers, I hope, eventually. We're down here, and what we're doing here is we're filling in here. Because we have the here, now we're adding these 2 notes. So let's look at it. Well, they show them at the top, and I want to use the music. In A and G workout, the first measure, the top space in bass clef, that's a G. This G. The G below middle C, this G. And the A is the top line. It's in the second measure. And that's so I need you to memorize those 2 notes in the music, so you know when you see a note in bass clef in that top space, you know it's a G. And when you see a note in the top line, you know it's an A. And you know it's the ones right below middle C, not some others. It's got to be those. So then we have these going. Now we'll add the F eventually, I'm sure, but right now it's these. And they want you to use 4th finger because, again, they want you in this position. Because really, you could use any finger. You're going to use the G and the A here, and you can use any 2 fingers you want. You can even do it in the right hand. It doesn't matter. But they want you in this position, so we're going to stay here with 4th finger here and 3rd finger on the A. So let's look this over. It's 2 lines long, bass clef, 4/4 time, and I see quarter notes and half notes. Okay, so let's play it and see what happens. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You get the idea? So you go through and play it. I've already did. Then go back over any hard parts if there are any and work them out. So there's no hesitations anywhere. You don't need to look at the piano keyboard to play this. You can feel these fingers. You're lowering the weight down on each note. Stay relaxed. Remember the natural accents. I don't mention natural accents on every video. I should, I suppose, but I don't. Just, you need to get in the habit of it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Just get in the habit of feeling the natural accents. Now, once you can play this okay, at least slowly, let's play it together and check that you have the correct notes and rhythms. Notes aren't a problem, it's these 2, but the rhythms can get tricky. So I'll give us 4 counts since it's in 4/4 time. 1, 2, ready, go. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 4, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Off.